Now that I'm back from SID Display Week and had a couple days to relax and kind of take in all that I saw, I'd like to summarize kind of my impressions of the show in 5 key points, key takeaways that I saw from the show. And the first one being that true microLED or chip on glass is progressing very, very quickly. It's available now in low quantity, almost custom builds, but it's out there, and many, many more brands are bringing this online and actually demonstrating it in public now. Work remains still on the mass transfer capabilities, as well as repair before it's sealed and then after it's in utilization. So those are some key roadblocks that still need to be removed. Secondly, true microLED chip on glass will be first in large format displays. FutureSource has been predicting this for about three and a half years now. We'll see it first in televisions because the relative low volume that's available now and the high ASPs make consumer televisions a good market. Low demand with low volume is a good place. But as that ramps, we'll see it come into commercial displays or Pro AV marketplace as volumes ramp. Because really the ASPs of $100,000, $150,000 for a chip-on-glass display won't gather much volume until much later, 5 years from now, in consumer televisions. And then third, mobile devices, AR, VR, and wearables. This has gotten a lot of press lately with some decommitted products. But it's coming along very, very nicely, and it is going to happen. But there's still a lot of power issues in particular that need to be resolved so that they can be used in these mobile devices in the future. So again, large format displays, and then sort of it'll go into smaller and smaller devices. Monitors are already going to happen. Anything you can plug into a power source, but then laptops, tablets, smartphones, and then glasses, watches, those sorts of things will all follow in that sort of succession order. Another key takeaway from the show was e-paper has really big potential in the digital signage market. The low power capability is a really key aspect of the product lines. However, with the low volumes, the ASPs are very, very high, as I mentioned previously in some of my videos, and that we really need to see those dramatically drop to make it a viable product, at least on par or lower than LCD panels now. It's about 3 to 4 times higher at this point. So e-paper has some work to do in ramping production volumes. The question in my mind is, how can you ramp production volumes if the ASPs are still too high? It's chicken and the egg kind of argument. And then finally, light field is a really interesting, fun, new evolving technology. But it's in search of a compelling usage case. What is the value prop and what vertical markets and applications are a best fit for this new technology? Anyway, it was a wonderful SID Display Week. Had a great time. There's lots of energy there. It's a really great show. And I'm really looking forward to, in about a month's time, of seeing everybody at InfoComm 2024 in Las Vegas. So we'll see you there in Las Vegas.